Well, today I'm going to be cleaning off the solar panels. It snowed a few days ago, but it was too cold to go outside. Well, for me anyways. As you can tell, sun is coming in, but it's not super, so I'll show you what the mess looks like on the panels. So these are the ones behind the house. As you can tell, there's like a icy coat on them, even with the snow. So eventually the sun's gonna melt it off. If I wouldn't let the sun melt it off, I'd have to use a windshield scraper. But you know, again, it's not the ideal condition. They're just on the ground here until I get them set up. It's been pretty cold here in Canada, so even in the States, I was watching the New Year's Rockin' Eve, and it was pretty cold. It was colder here, but it was still freezing in New York City. So it's about -2 Fahrenheit, I guess, or about -15 Celsius. It's about the same temperature it was on New Year's Eve when I was watching New Year's Rockin' Eve during New Year's. So it's pretty cold still. I'm sure most of you can sympathize with that. So anyway, what I'm going to use today is snow removers. It's got an extension on it. I don't always want to go up in the deeper snow, but today it's not so bad, so I may end up going. I can get a pretty decent length out of them. Not that I don't want to be easy on my panels, it's just when they're out here in the freezing cold, I'm gonna be gentle with it, but I'm not gonna baby them, right? They are made of tempered glass, I believe. Maybe I'm wrong. You can comment below, but to let me know. But they're built to withstand some beating. So I'm not gonna beat them, but I am gonna clean them off. So as you can tell, it cleans off. The panels look like the ones behind the house where there's an icy film on them, and if I wanted to really scrape them off, I'd have to use the car scraper, the windshield scraper. So I'm not gonna go all out. It is still pretty cold out today, so I'm gonna just take off the snow, so at least sunlight will be getting to them. Obviously, you've noticed I have a helper today. She wasn't there when I initially posted my first video, so she's an addition to our family. Yeah, ideally, this should all be taken off, but I'll have to let the sun do that. It's just my luck, the sun's gone. I can't even see any difference. It's probably even worse than what it was when the snow was on it. Anyway, so anyways, it was just good to get out, get a bit of fresh air. But I'm going back in to warm up. So that's basically what it is. Like I said, if I wanted to get more off, I'd have to use the car scraper because that ice is stuck on there. So we're gonna leave them there for the sun to take off the snow. But it looks like it's gonna be cloud covered for a bit, so no chance of that. Anyway, till next time, you have a good day. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.